Everyone, today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 8.2 of trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. Here we are given question says choose the correct option and justify your choice. And question number 1 is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree, and we have given 4 options: sine 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sine cos 10. There is error in one question, that is sine 30. This is sine 30. This is sine 30. We have to check with this 4 value of this question and we will find the answer. First of all, you need to solve the question. Let us solve the question 2 tan theta plus 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So let me solve this question first and then we'll find with the answer. We'll check with the answer. In order to solve this question, you need to have the value of tan 30 degree, that is 2 into tan 30 is tan 30. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Put the value in numerator and same thing goes with the denominator as well. 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. You have to square it out. Now if you continue this one, if you continue solving this one, you will get 1 plus 1 by root 3 if you multiply this to 2 and 1, it will give you 2, and in denominator you will be getting root 3. In case of this portion, denominator, draw a line and 1 plus 1 square will give you 1 and root 3 square will give you root 3. Let me write here 2 by root 3, and you have to multiply this one. 3 1 are 3 plus 1 4, and in denominator it will be 3. Now further you simplify it. 2 by root 3 multiply, you take this value up and this value down, that is 4. Now you can cancel this 2, you will get 2. If you cancel this 2, you will get root 3. Your final answer will be root 3 by 2. Okay, your value is root 3 by 2. Now let us check with the value of this given 4 options. 4 options. A, you have what? You have sine 60, and value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Let us check with B, cos 60. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Similarly, let us check with tan 60. Tan 60 degree. You know the value of tan 60 degree? It is root 3. And for sine 30 degree, check with sine 30. Sine 30 will be 1 by 1 by 2. So this value is this one, right? This one. These 3 are not there in the option. So right answer is, if you verify the value of this and this is similar. Okay, let us continue with second question. Now question number 2 says 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. We are given 4 value. We have to check with this 4 value, that is tan 90 degree. You need to check at tan 90 degree. Option B 1, option C sine 45 degree, and option D 0. At this 4 value, if we solve this value, and 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45, and we have to check with the option, and the right option will be, we have to match these two value. Let us solve the question first and then we'll check the value. 1 minus 1 will write as 1 and you know the value of 10 45 is 1. You need to square it. Same goes with denominator, 1 plus 1 square, and 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0 by 2, that is value is 0. So correct answer will be, no need to solve all the question, this one, the option D is your correct answer. For sine 45 you will get what? 1 by root 2, and 1 will be 1, and this 1090 will be, let us consider sine 90 divided by cos 90, and value of sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, that is undefined. The answer is undefined. So the correct option is option D, that is 0. Let us solve next question. And the third question is sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. At what value, that is 0, 30, 45 and 60 degree. We'll check at this 4 value and see whether this left hand side and right hand side of the question is will be the same or not. Let us check at A, that is option A, 0 degree. So at 0 degree, let us solve left hand side, that is sine 2a, that is sine 2 into 0 degree. Sine 2 into 0 will be 0, and the value of sine 0 is 0. Let us check at right hand side, 2 sine a, that is 2 sine 0 degree, that is 2 into 0 equal to 0. Hence we can say left hand side equal to right hand side. We got the correct answer at 0 degree. Let us check at 30 degree now. At 30 degree, that is option B, 30 degree, we'll check the left hand side. Left hand side equal to sine 2a, that is sine into 2a is 30, and the value of sine 30 will be 60. If you multiply these two, you will get 60, and the value of root 3 by 2 is your left hand side. Now let us check with the right hand side. Right hand side, 2 sine a, 2 into sine 30 degree, 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. If you cancel these two, you will get 1. Therefore you can conclude left hand side doesn't equal to right hand side. So at 30 degree, this value is, we cannot find the match. Let us try with the third option. Third option we have to check at 45 degree. So let us write left hand side 2 sine, we have sine 2a. Below of sine 2a is sine into 2 into 45 degree, that will be sine 90 degree, and value of sine 90 degree is 1. Right hand side will be 2 sine a, implies 2 into 2 into sine 45 degree, and 2 into value of sine 25 is 1 by root 2, and if you cancel these two, you will get root 2 here, that is root 2, and the left hand side and right hand side are not equal. So option 3 is also not correct. Let us try with the last option, that is at 60 degree. We'll check at 60 degree. Left hand side sine, let me write in shortcut, 2 into 60 degree. If you multiply these two, you will get 120 degree. This will be 120, and let me write clearly. 120 degree. You don't know the value of sine 120 degree, but you learn in higher class how to find the value of sine 20 degree. Let me solve for you, but you may not know it. If I write it as a 90 plus 30 degree, it will change the sign. It will become cos 30 degree, and the value of cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. And let us check right hand side, RHS sine 60 degree. 2 into sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. If you cancel these two, you will get root 3. So what we can say, left hand side doesn't equal to right hand side. So we got only one value which is correct from these 4 options, that is A. This will be correct at 0 degree only. Left hand side and right hand side will be correct, or will be the same at 0 degree. At 30, 45 and 60 it won't be correct. Let us move to next question. Roman number 4 says 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree will be equal to cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 or sin 30. At this 4 value we will check and see whether which 2 value are going to be equal. So in order to find that, we need to solve the question first, and then we'll check the value of these 4 options and we'll see whether they are equal or not. The process will be same as the like the previous questions. So let me solve the question first and then we'll check the option. Here solution, 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and in denominator you will write 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Let us simplify. If you multiply these two, 2 into 1 will be 2, and in denominator, that is, this will be root 3, and for this one 1 will be 1 minus 1 square will give you 1, and root 3 square will give you root 3. Next step will be 2 by root 3 divided by 3 1 are 3 minus 1, 3 1 are 3 minus 1 divided by this 3. Let me write here, this 2 will be 2 and this 3 will be, this root 3 will be root 3. In denominator you can subtract this 2, 3 minus 1 will be 2 and this 3 will be here. Now if I simplify this to root 3, I have written this one here, and this will be up and this will be down. If I multiply, if the division change, then the numerator will go in denominator and denominator will go in numerator. Now we will cancel these 2 and this 3 root 3 and root 3 will be root 3. Your final answer is root 3. Let us check the value of this 4 option now. We have 4 options. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, tan 60 root 3 and sin 30 1 by 2. So this value is correct from this 4 option. They are, what does it mean? It means, let me write here, it means the question says 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to tan 60 degree, like this. The quotients means this, okay? You just check the answer and you find it. That means these two relations are same. The value of this and these are equal. It means like that, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.